My name is Mosimann. I'm a DJ producer. I'm here at Point Blank Music School to share experiences with the students and talk about music.
Yo's iPhone. I love the vibe. You can try the faster master on that. That will blows up. I really love it. It's good work. Sounds really, really good. The balance as well, it sounds like it's professional to me. I will play it. Woo! That's a good one. Hanini?
Neon color glowing like a fever night. City lights melting blurry, shaking out my busy side. Still I need to know. I know where to go, I know where to go.
You sing? It's really, really good. Gringo flow. I will play it. Sounds good. The mix is perfect. Just put it out. Candice? What is not finished? I think it's good. There's a vibe, there's something special about it. How it goes, Nova, that's another one.
I'm screaming 'cause my heart goes da-dee-da-dee-da. Try keeping myself composed, I think I'm blowing up. I'm staring at the ceiling, can't upload my feelings, pouring like a fountain.
It's a hit. There is too much info to my taste. Because your hook is da-dee-da-dee-da, and we don't have enough of da-dee-da-dee-da. 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 I need it again. I have to wait until the drop. Ok, Ohio, c'est parti. Works good. It's the same key. I appreciate it. And I'm a big fan from C2C. It's really cool. I like it. In this specific genre, the kick is the key. I need to see you playing 4 hours, and after we'll talk. I'd be super happy. It sounds amazing. I love it. You want to see the scratch thing? Okay, I show you the scratch thing.